Today, we're diving into one of the most timeless and influential books ever written on human relations, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Whether you're striving for success in your personal or professional life, mastering the principles laid out in this book can truly transform your relationships and your ability to influence others. So, let's jump right in. First published in 1936, How to Win Friends and Influence People has sold over 30 million copies worldwide and continues to impact countless lives to this day. At its core, this book is a treasure trove of practical wisdom, offering insights and techniques to help you navigate the complex landscape of human interactions with grace and effectiveness. Carnegie's book is divided into four main parts, each focusing on different aspects of human relations. In Part 1, he emphasizes the importance of fundamental techniques such as showing genuine interest in others, smiling, and remembering people's names. These simple yet powerful strategies can instantly make others feel valued and respected. Moving on to Part 2, Carnegie delves into the art of handling people. He stresses the importance of avoiding criticism and condemnation, and instead offering sincere praise and appreciation. By focusing on the positive aspects of others, we can build stronger connections and foster goodwill. Part 3 is all about winning people to your way of thinking. Carnegie shares techniques such as seeing things from the other person's perspective, arousing in them an eager want, and being empathetic in our communication. By understanding and addressing the needs and desires of others, we can effectively influence their decisions and actions. Finally, in Part 4, Carnegie discusses leadership and how to change people without arousing resentment. He emphasizes the power of encouragement, appreciation, and making the fault seem easy to correct. By inspiring and uplifting others, we can foster positive change and create a supportive environment for growth. In conclusion, How to Win Friends and Influence People is not just a book, but a roadmap to success in our interpersonal relationships. By applying the principles outlined by Dale Carnegie, we can become more influential, persuasive, and ultimately more successful in both our personal and professional lives. So, why wait? Start implementing these principles today and watch as your relationships flourish and your influence grows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and keep winning friends and influencing people. Bye.